Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change chat theme on Instagram direct message. So guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone. And the first thing we have to do if we want to change the chat theme is going to our Instagram direct message right here on the top right corner of our screen. Then we're going to select the room chat that we want to change the chat theme. And I'm going to go with this room chat. So I'm going to tap on this room chat. Then we can click on the account's name right here guys. Then after that we just need to click on a theme, then select the theme that we want to use for our Instagram direct message, and I'm gonna go with this chill chat theme. Okay, and we can go back to our room chat to see the result. Okay, and this is the result guys. And for your information guys, the chat theme won't be automatically applied to all your room chat, so you have to change it one by one. And for your information again, once you change the chat theme, someone on this room chat can see it. And alright guys, that's how we can change chat theme on Instagram direct message. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.